President Donald Trump pardoned 3 more high-profile convicts this week, which has some wondering, why hasn't Tina Peters made the cut? The former Mesa County clerk convicted of participating in a security breach linked to the 2020 Biden-Trump presidential election has been called a, quote, hostage and an innocent political prisoner by President Trump. But still, Peters sits behind bars serving a 9-year prison sentence. So why hasn't the president pardoned her? According to the Department of Justice, only federal criminal convictions, such as those adjudicated in the U.S. district courts, may be pardoned by the president. District Attorney Dan Rubenstein, the prosecutor in Peters' case, breaks it down for us.
The chief executive at whichever level has pardon authority for the crimes that occurred in their territorial jurisdiction. So specifically for Tina Peters, she was tried and convicted in state court, and therefore only Governor Polis would have the authority to commute her sentence or to pardon her.
Those limitations have not stopped the president from advocating for Peters, having instructed the DOJ in early May to, quote, take all necessary action to secure her release. But what action, if any, can legally be taken?
The Department of Justice has the authority to file a statement of interest in any case, just sort of giving the government's position, the federal government's position on things. I think it's important for our community to know that the president has nothing to do with a state conviction and has no authority on a state conviction, nor does the Department of Justice, other than to file what's called an amicus brief, letting the federal court know what their concerns are. But ultimately, this is an action between Ms. Peters' lawyers and the Attorney General's office as to whether or not there was anything improperly done in state court.
We reached out to Governor Polis' office to find out whether Peters has filed for a pardon in Colorado. We have yet to hear back. Ariana Boss, back to you, Bernie and Kyle.
All right, thanks.